when you wake up in the morning and your cold is trying to go away, but it's still holding on tight, and you can only breathe through one side of your nose. Right side, perfectly fine. Left side, I should have done that.
Oh. I'm ready for this cold to be completely gone. Ow. Oh, fuck. I really shouldn't have tried to breathe through that side of my nose so hard now. That almost. That won't stop tickling. Fuck. Well. At least I could breathe through one side of my nose. And it's only still morning, so maybe I'll. Phew, man, maybe I'll feel better by the end of the day. Ow. God. Maybe. Hopefully. Luckily, I still have two. Oh, my ears. I even don't want to stifle those. Two. Yeah. Oh, right. I still have today off, so I can rest and get rid of you. Fuck. Had snuck up. Get rid of the last of this cold. I'm so ready for it to be. Ew. Oh, for it to be gone.